In our last video, we explored how the four-stroke engine cycle works: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. But what actually brings that engine to life? What creates the spark that starts it all? Let's take a look inside the electrical system, the hidden network that powers every ignition and keeps the engine running. It all starts with the battery. This small box supplies power to start the engine and runs all other electrical systems when the car is off. When you turn the key, the battery sends electricity through the system and starter motor, beginning the process of ignition. Once the engine is running, the alternator takes over. It works like a generator, turning the engine's mechanical energy into electricity. This electricity keeps the battery charged and powers the lights, sensors, and electronic systems while driving. Next comes the distributor. It distributes electricity to each spark plug in the correct timing and order. Each cylinder fires one at a time in a precise sequence, keeping the engine running smoothly and efficiently. The spark plug wires carry that high-voltage current from the distributor directly to the spark plugs. They're built to handle thousands of volts, delivering electricity exactly when it's needed. At the end of each wire is the spark plug, a small but powerful device that ignites the fuel-air mixture. Inside, a spark jumps across two metal electrodes, creating a flash of energy that starts combustion. This tiny spark powers the massive motion of the engine. To begin it all, the starter motor cranks the engine. It uses electricity from the battery to rotate the crankshaft, setting the pistons in motion so the engine can start running on its own. Together, the battery, alternator, distributor, spark plug wires, spark plugs, and starter form the electrical system. Each part works in perfect coordination, ensuring every spark, every rotation, and every start happens at the right moment. This is the heart of the engine's electrical system, where power begins and where every journey starts.